Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Guy. If your iPhone battery dies too fast, don't worry. Today I'll show you 10 super useful tips to save battery life and keep your phone running longer. Stick around till the end, and if you find it helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Number 1. Turn on low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery, Low Power Mode. It limits background activity to save power. Number 2. Disable background app refresh. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, off. Prevents apps from updating in the background. Three, limit location services. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Only allow location access for necessary apps. Number 4. Lower screen brightness. Bright screens eat up battery. Adjust it from Control Center or Settings, Display and Brightness. Five, turn off push for emails. Go to Settings, Mail. Accounts. Fetch new data, set to manual. This avoids constant syncing. Number 6. Disable unnecessary notifications. Too many alerts. Wasted battery. Disable from Settings, Notifications. Seven, use dark mode. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Dark, especially useful on OLED iPhones to save power. Number 8. Close heavy apps when not in use. Apps like Instagram and WhatsApp keep running. Close them manually when not needed. Number 9. Keep iOS updated. Always update to the latest iOS version. Apple includes battery optimizations. Number 10. Use original chargers. Fake chargers may damage your battery or slow down charging. And that's it. 10 simple ways to boost your iPhone battery life. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Which tip worked best for you? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Take care.